Dear friends of 2026, I am writing to you from a future you might find difficult to imagine. Here in 2050, the Tesla Optimus robots handle our labor, and human value has replaced currency. Yet, even in this era of post-scarcity, we are still navigating the same existential crisis you face today. The profound loneliness of being connected to everyone but belonging to no one. At 61, I have learned that the greatest luxury is in a faster Neuralink connection. It is the gold found in our human imperfections and the courage to be seen without a mask. The illusion of connection in your time. You are often trapped in the loneliness of the crowd, hiding behind professional masks and digital personas. This isolation stems from a lack of wholeness of safety to bring your full, messy, and vulnerable self into a space without fear of judgment. Why community is the antidote? True community is more than just a social gathering. It is a living entity that heals through shared purpose. By joining a humanistic and mindful community, you unlock benefits that no algorithm can replicate. A deep sense of belonging. You move from being a face in a crowd to being a vital part of a whole. Deep listening. You experience the transformative power of being heard without being fixed or judged. Radical acceptance. You find a space where your flaws are welcomed and your professional mask is no longer required. How we overcome loneliness together. Let me share how specific community practices bridge the gap between me and us. 1. The power of checking in. In your era, science already shows that labeling an emotion simply saying, "I feel lonely," reduces the activity in your brain, S-Fear Center. In communities like the Heiligenfeld Hospital in Germany, starting meetings with a minute of silence and an emotional check-in allows people to drop their burdens and be fully present. 2. The just like me practice loneliness thrives on the belief that we are other. By looking at a stranger and silently acknowledging this person has feelings, hopes for happiness, and fears suffering, just like me, you shift your brain from a state of confrontation to one of compassion. It dissolves the walls of isolation almost instantly. 3. Vulnerability as a bridge. We often think we need to be perfect to be loved, but perfection is actually the enemy of connection. Research from Google's Project Aristotle proves that psychological safety, where team members feel safe to share, failures is the #1 factor for high-performing, connected groups. When you share a story of a struggle, you give others permission to do the same. A final thought from 2050, do not wait for the post-work era to rediscover what it means to be human. Start now. Find a community where you can practice deep listening and vulnerability. Remember, your sadness is a certificate of life, and your human clumsiness is pure gold. Do not let the digital world digitize your soul before you've had the chance to share it with another human being. In stillness and connection, Peter Guardian of Identity, Project Clone 2050.